So, I'm on page 471, science. Let me start my timer. Okay, 471, we're talking about different types of energy changes in electronics. So open up to page 471, and we're taking some notes. So get out a piece of paper, or get out your piece of paper from this lesson. Okay, energy transformations. You have learned that there are many different forms of energy. You hear the sound of energy when you're listening to music. The energy also changes and transforms in other forms of energy. Like right now, I can hear the heat being pushed through my furnace. Okay? What other energy transformations do you use every day? You can see it with the lights. You can hear, like they said, the sound of music. You can feel the warmth in your house, right? You use your electronic devices. Some forms of energy are more useful than others. For example, a toaster gives off thermal energy and light energy. The wire inside the toaster is hot, and that's the thermal energy used to toast the bread. Do you make use of the light energy on the wires also give off? So I say yes, because if you know it's red, and what are you not going to do with it? You're not going to touch it. So do you use that light energy? Yes, for your protection, you use the light energy. Okay? Some energies is lost during energy transformations. Often, this energy loss takes the form of thermal energy. What other examples of lost energy can you think of? Have you ever been holding a device and it gets really hot? It's not getting hot for your benefit. It's getting hot because the battery is overheating. So that is lost energy, right? What about when you leave the lights on when you leave a room? That's lost energy. You're not using it. So any lost energy is energy not being used, right? Okay, so another example of energy change is the solar cells that change solar energy into electrical energy. Batteries store potential energy in the form of chemical energy. The chemical energy changes to electric energy when it is connected into a circuit. What are signs that the device is giving off energy that is not being used? So if it's hot, right? That would be one example. If it's making a buzzing noise and you're not using it, that would be another example, right? Okay, moving on. 472. The transistors and microchips and processors made the development of a personal computers possible. Advances in microchips and liquid crystals crystal liquid displays led to the development of portable laptop computers. These advances transferred the computing power that once fit into the size of a room into the palm of your hand. So like your phone back in the 40s and 50s, that would take up like an entire room of just one computer. And they were so excited to have that one computer, but it would literally take up a whole room for like a calculator that we carry around in our pocket. Well, I mean, you don't really carry around calculators in your pocket, but I mean, it's possible. You could carry, I mean, your phone is a calculator, so maybe you do. Okay, so although you might not realize it, you interact with hidden computers in your everyday life. For example, all cars today have at least one computer in them. Most cars have multiple computers in them. Computers control your car airbags, keyless entry, stereo system, and cruise control systems. Automatic parking systems made up of computers and sensors on some newer models can park the car with little input from the driver. What features would you expect to see on cars in the near future? I'm going to say right now, probably not flying cars. I don't see that in our near future, especially since we're all stuck inside. Self-driving cars, they're starting to come out with those, and they think they're safer than actually having people drive. So like Sealy, when he starts to drive, maybe he won't have to drive because there will be self-driving cars. Okay, smart homes controlled by appliances on smartphones are a reality. David does. He can control our furnace, the lights, everything in our house. Not everything. He wishes. Those lights are like $13 each, and we have those lights. Or like, it would cost a lot of money to control our house that way. Okay. You can turn on and off lights from your phone. There are also applications that can unlock doors, adjust the thermostat, and control the sprinkler system. Check a webcam through a smartphone. So, I mean, like, you guys have seen me check on Cooper before. So we do have one camera at our house. We really need another one at our front door. But you can check all that stuff through your phone. There's computers literally everywhere. So today, I want you to make a list of 20 things that might have a computer in it. So what's your job today? 20 things that have computers in it. Take a picture of it and hand it in. Okay, bye.